So we've got the kayaks loaded up in the bed of a truck here. We've got a full-size Dodge Ram truck, and they fit pretty good. We use the D-rings to help tie them up, and we're headed to the river. So we're unloaded, ready to go. We're fortunate to have these nice launches here at a park close to us. We're in Florida. Just a little quick hour or two. We're gonna go down and back, kind of give this a test run. I do have my drink bottle there. These are drink holders. They're little slots for holders, and they're not available until next week, we've been told. So we will have nice little drink holders to hold a cold beverage while we float next time. But for now, we're gonna get out on the water and get launched. So we have launched. Right now, there's definitely good stability. I feel really well balanced. Water doesn't come in that back opening. I was wondering how that would look back there, but no water comes up. I guess we're high enough that stays nice and dry. I've got room for my rider, plenty of leg room. She's 7, so she's a nice good sized kiddo. But move around a little bit, Macy, and see, she can move and the boat doesn't rock too much, so you'd have room for even like a good size puppy to come on a trip with you. Room for extra gear, camping supplies, or something if you had a little bit longer of a trip planned.
We could bring our bulldog.
See, she moves around. She could even have her own little paddle up there and get in some exercise with us. So, looks like it'll be a fun little spot for a rider. We've got the Lono coming up beside us.
Yeah.
So he's standing up with pretty good stability on it. It'll be helpful when we get our stand-up paddle in. Again, that was on back order, and it was in a collapsible paddle that came as part of the package. But nice, good stability with him standing up and being able to paddle and still keep a little passenger in the front and get through some of these areas where we're at on this creek that we're going down right now. You can see in the back there's an extra little seat on that cooler for a little rider if you wanted to get a different view or hold gear and a kid. It's a fun little space in the back as well.